Here I have ZTE Axon 20 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you have to select preferred language. I'll just stay with English and then tap start. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network, you can just set up device offline. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have these Google services, which I suggest you to disable, and then tap accept. Then you have to agree with privacy policy. Then you can set up device security, or you can just skip this step and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Then you have to go through this system gesture navigation tutorial, I guess. Okay, I know about it. And your device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.